Hey everyone, this is Anna here. These are the two shelves that I mentioned on my last video from my disaster kiln opening. It went to a cone 7 instead of a cone 5.5, which is the temperature that I usually fire to 185 is usually what I fire to. And when the thermocouple degrades over time, it reads the temperature cooler and it makes it fire much hotter. So even though you set a temperature in your kiln, in your display it shows that the temperature went to 185, but in reality it went much higher to a cone 7. So these are core light shelves. They're very good lightweight shelves. I've had them for many years, over 10 years. And this is the first time I've had an accident like that in about 14 years or so. So I went ahead and ordered two more. They cost from Clay King. It was $67 each. And I will still give it a try and see if I can chisel all these glaze, and we'll see what happens. So this whole process took me about a half hour to chisel all the glaze pieces from the shelves, but I ended up taking also some chunks off the shelf. But anyways, these would be my backup kiln shelves anyways, but I decided to go ahead and sand so that it wouldn't be so sharp at the edges where you can see where I took some chunks off. And then I decided to put some kiln wash, and they're ready for the next glaze firing. I'm happy with the results. Thanks for watching.